tourism policy for erection of shacks on beaches. जी 13-16 असली तीच आमी चालू केली. रिप्लिका बहुतेक तशी आसा एक्सेप्ट GCZMAन पाळोलें बिचाचेर जे 3 शॅक्स असले ते डिसअलाव केले आनी कांदोळी आनी कलंगूट ह्या स्ट्रेचाचेर जे शॅक्स असले ते शॅक्सांची संख्या जास्त आसा आणि त्यामुळे दे वर प्रेसिंग फॉर रिड्युसिंग इट. पूण रिड्यूस केल्यार थोडे योग्य जावचें ना. त्यामुळे ताणें मागीर ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ताणें तो नंबर एका वर्सा खातीर मेंटेन केल्या. दे वील रिव्यू इट नेक्स्ट इयर आफ्टर द conclusion of or completion of season.
33 number 17
उत्तर गोंय आणि दक्षिण गोंयाक सरकारी शॅक शुक्रारा वाटले.
North Goa, we have started draw of lots for the allotment of beach shacks from 10 AM onwards. Till now, I have completed 9 stretches has been completed, and 10 stretch of Sontaudo is going on. So thereafter, remaining stretches will be taken, and entire full draw will be today only.
टोटल कितले अलॉट जातले?
Total 259 shacks in North Goa.
173 आम्ही आज हे केले. Due to this policy, there were 4 less shacks in Majorda, 1 less shack in Benoli, 1 shack less at Fatrade Varga, 1 shack less at Velsow, 1 less at Sernabati, and 1 less at Zalur.
शॅकवाल्यांचो इशू निमणे जाग्यार पडलो. उरिल्ल्या शॅकवाल्यांकूय खंय सरकारान शॅक पॉलिसी खाला घेवचे.
The allotment is going as per plan. There is no hanky-panky work going on with the allotment. It is very transparent, and some of our boys have been out of these lotteries, while I am in the lotteries inside the lotteries for the first time. I am successful, but it does not mean that being a leader I am successful. My other boys are out, so government has to do something to add these genuine shack owners to the list, and in future they should make a policy where all the genuine shack owners are adopted into this policy and they can become part of the shack business.
And so South Goa zala no, it was very transparent and conducted as per shack policy and as per High Court order.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.